So many people try to do moon images like this. So I did this image using one app and one image from Google, and today I will explain how to do. So let's start video. So first open Google and search that two prompt on screen on Google. After searching, download that two images and open Snapseed and export your full moon. And after exporting image, edit your image and copy same edits. And after editing image, add another image of that circle glow. After doing, just crop it same to moon and adjust image on screen. And after doing that, export another image of stars and crop it and adjust on screen. Your HDR moon is ready. Just process and download that image. So here was a tutorial how to make HDR moon. Hope you like this video, subscribe to the channel and enjoy the results.